This is the video I didn't want to make. I've been putting it off, trying to figure out the best way to say this or to do this because I personally struggle with talking about death. So trigger warning for people who are watching this video. If you find this helpful, please make sure to hit that share button. When someone that was in the live mentioned that their spouse had passed away, and she asked if her animal knew what was happening. When there is the loss of a loved one in your family, and it's either human or pet, in situations where you can let the animals in your home say goodbye to that human or that other pet and actually see them after they've passed, it does help them to understand what's going on. In other situations where that may not be possible, you need to talk to your animals. I've said it before and I'll keep saying it. The best thing you can do is just talk to your animals and explain what's happening. Now, I understand this is incredibly hard to do, and I know you may be thinking, but Sandy, you've told us that our animals understand what's going on in our lives. They do, to a point. They get those messages from you, what's going on in your mind. Have you ever tried to talk to somebody who's had something devastating happen to them, and they're incoherent, they're inconsolable, the words coming out of their mouth don't make any kind of sense, and you have to tell them, I need you to breathe, I need you to calm down, I need you to explain what happened. Think of that from the animal's perspective. They understand something happened, but they may not be clear on what's going on because what they're receiving from your brain is just a jumble of messages, and it's full of emotions, and it may be really, really unclear. So if you can, try to talk your animals through what happened. Explain to them, Daddy's not coming back home. Daddy passed away. Your sister was getting very old. She was having a lot of health problems. And try to explain it to them the best that you can. If you can't say it out loud to them because you're too emotional, try to send them the messages intuitively. Just try to calm your mind and try to tell them the best way that you can. Now, this doesn't mean that they're not going to continue to grieve. We all grieve in our own way, and grief has no timeline. But at least they have an idea of what's going on with you and with their family member. To learn more about readings that I've done, make sure to like and follow for more.